In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a glowing tip material. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. The outer sphere was used to block the environment light. This is an ordinary sphere with displacement and subsurf modifiers added. It's using a noise texture. For the background sphere material, please remember to turn off the specular setting. Here are the full nodes, and I'll zoom in shortly. This is a math node. I'm using an empty object as the text coordinate nodes object. That means if I move or scale the empty object, the material will change accordingly like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.